Your retirement plan is a lie. You've got a lifetime of savings, and you're too sick to spend it. Let me show you why this happens to millions of men and how to make sure you're not one of them. In finance, we talk about compound interest. If you save early, it grows. Health compounds too, either for you or against you. If you ignore a 10% rise in cholesterol at 35, that's not just a number. That's a decade of plaque building inside your arteries. By the time you retire, the pipes are clogged. Let me tell you about a man I knew in my professional life. We'll call him Jim. Jim was the definition of a provider. 60-hour weeks, never complained, last one to leave the office. He hit his number at 62. He retired on a Friday. By Monday, he was in a clinic because he couldn't catch his breath. His blood pressure had been a silent engine fire for 20 years. He spent his first 3 years of freedom tethered to an oxygen tank. He once told me something I will never forget. "I spent 40 years building a life. I'm now too weak to live." Don't let that be your story. Stop. I want you to answer honestly. When was your last physical? Seriously, think about it. If it's been more than a year, you already know what that means. In retirement, the most valuable currency isn't dollars, it's mobility. Can you pick up your grandkids? Can you hike the trail you've dreamed about? Quick test. Stand up from your chair right now without using your hands. If you had to push off, you just learned something critical about your future. After 30, men can lose 3 to 5% of muscle mass per decade if they don't train. This is called sarcopenia. By 70, the average man can lose up to 25% of his muscle mass if he doesn't fight back. Muscle is metabolic armor. It protects your joints, stabilizes your metabolism, and keeps you independent. Most men don't fail because they don't know what to do. They fail because they don't do what they know. You'll spend an hour scrolling, 2 hours watching TV, but you won't spend 30 minutes moving? Your body is a house you're building for 40 years. If you don't maintain the roof now, it collapses the day you move in. Think of sugar and excess alcohol as hidden fees. They eat your principal. Sleep is your accounting department. Skip sleep long enough, and the debt collector shows up. We are providers. We work hard. We want to leave a legacy. But the greatest gift you can give your family is your presence, not just being alive, being strong enough to live. Retirement isn't an age, it's a physical condition. Your challenge this week: don't just check your bank account. Call your doctor. Get the blood work. Go for a walk. Lift something heavy. Start saving the man who's going to live the future you're working so hard for. This is Triumph. We don't just build wealth, we build men. I'll see you in the next one.